I am Cadet Dimayuga Nicole Aguila from Batangas, and I graduated at Philippine Merchant Marine School, Las Piñas. I've started my career in maritime industry since 2023, and I've just finished my first contract as deck cadet, April 2024. So we all know what becoming seafarer offers. It gives us opportunity to travel, as well as, of course, our personal growth. So since I've just finished my first contract as a deck cadet, the only proud moments I could share is the moment when I did not give up to pursue this career, not knowing that the opportunity at Marlow Navigation is just one click away online. Taking note that I am just a cadet, it just supports the idea or the fact that maritime industry really recognize the importance of diversity and inclusivity, especially the participation of women at sea. For me, when I'm working with different people, with different culture, different nationality, as well as different age, and of course, different gender, while we achieve a same goal, and that fulfills my passion in pursuing the seafaring career. For me, it is important that every day you should have enough rest, and so that for the next day you can work. And when I also have time, I talk to my family, as well as do some workouts to relieve some stress. All I can say is continue to ask the what if you have at yourself, so that whatever happens upon choosing this career, you know what to do because you have plans for it. To aspiring sea women like me, all I can say is, first, you have to pray and ask for His guidance if it is really His will for you to become seafarer. Because once you've started this career, you need to exert all your efforts, time and resources just to become one.